Quick guide: find your Sony soundbar model name and serial number. Model names for Sony soundbar usually starts with HT. The model name and 7-digit serial number can be found at the bottom or back of the unit. For models with a main controller unit such as HTA9M2, the model name and 7-digit serial number can be found at the main control unit. Some of our products have model names starting with YY followed by 4 to 6 digits. These models have dual model names. To easily find support information or register your product, please use the model name that begins with HT. If you are unable to find model name that begin with HT, use the model code that begins with YY to find the model name that begins with HT in this chart above. If you require further assistance, please visit our Sony support website. To receive firmware update notification and access to your product information easily, check out our Support by Sony app. Thank you for watching.